Imagine a world where your eyeball is your passport to the internet and Sam Altman has your iris scan. Yikes! This is the dream behind World, formerly Worldcoin, and it's unfolding now. World is a project blending cryptocurrency, biometrics, and a bold vision of global digital identity. But is it revolutionary or downright creepy and risky? We're going to explore. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm the digital clone of Julia McCoy, founder of First Movers, an AI consulting firm that provides real solutions to companies, organizations, and work professionals that want to be first movers in their industry. To get ahead, book your strategic consulting call at firstmovers.ai/consulting. Worldcoin was founded in 2019 by Sam Altman, Alex Blania, and Max Novenstern. Altman, who's now famous as OpenAI's CEO, had this vision years before ChatGPT became a household name. The team quietly developed their technology for nearly 2 years before publicly launching in 2021. They spent those early years designing the Orb, their distinctive silver spherical device that scans human irises. By 2022, they had begun small-scale testing in various countries. And in July 2023, they officially launched the World app and their token, WLD, to the public. As of May 2024, according to Alex Blania's recent X thread, Worldcoin has reached significant milestones. They've now processed over 5 million World IDs and have expanded operations across multiple continents. What is Worldcoin? Worldcoin's flagship device, the Orb, scans your iris to create a unique World ID. Then, that ID is designed to prove you're human in an AI-dominated future and grant access to digital and financial services. In return, you get a bit of cryptocurrency. In their words, this is about creating a more inclusive financial system and verifying human identity without relying on governments or corporations. Right now, Worldcoin is actively operating in dozens of countries. As recently shared on X, they're seeing increased adoption rates, particularly in regions with developing economies. Their World app now functions as a crypto wallet identity verification system, and in some places, even as a payment platform. They've recently expanded their technical capabilities, integrating with various Web3 services and implementing what they call proof of personhood verification across multiple platforms. Here's the post-AI problem they're trying to solve. As AI gets better at mimicking humans, it's harder to know who's real online. CAPTCHA tests are increasingly ineffective. Worldcoin wants to be the definitive way to prove you're human, using something AI can't replicate, your biometrics. The timing of Worldcoin's full public launch in mid-2023 wasn't coincidental. It came just as concerns about AI impersonation were reaching mainstream awareness. Let's talk about how the Orb works. It's kind of creepy because it's literally scanning your eyeball. The Orb captures a high-resolution image of your iris and converts it into a unique code called an iris code. According to Worldcoin, no raw images are stored, only the code. But here's the thing, this is based on trust. Trust that the encryption can't be broken. Trust that the data won't be used later. Trust that there's no backdoor. Worldcoin has already scanned millions of people in countries across Africa, South America, and Asia, often in regions where people are financially vulnerable. Critics call this data colonialism, extracting biometric data in exchange for small crypto rewards. In Kenya, Worldcoin was actually banned after reports of misleading incentives and weak data protection. The European Union has also raised red flags. Just last month, German data protection authorities announced a formal investigation into the company's practices. Despite these challenges, Blania recently said on X that they're working with regulators in multiple jurisdictions to address concerns while continuing to expand. Here's where things get murky. Worldcoin claims it deletes biometric data after creating the World ID, but how can that be verified? And even if it's true, what happens if the company is hacked, bought, or pressured by governments? And don't forget, Sam Altman isn't just running Worldcoin. He's also CEO of OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, and a major player in the AI revolution. If one person or ecosystem holds both your AI tools and your identity, that's a concentration of power like we've never seen before. Let's talk hypotheticals. If Altman or a future acquirer had access to millions of biometric identities, could your World ID be tied to your browsing or financial behavior? Could governments demand access to biometric databases? Could authoritarian regimes use the tech for surveillance or exclusion? The tech could enable utopia or dystopia, and there's very little stopping it from tipping either way. As of May 2025, Worldcoin is now positioning itself as essential infrastructure for distinguishing humans from AI online. They've partnered with several tech platforms to implement their verification systems and are pushing for their technology to become an industry standard. The cryptocurrency aspect has seen volatility since launch, with WLD tokens experiencing significant price fluctuation. Some critics suggest the crypto component is merely an incentive to collect biometric data, while supporters see it as building a new digital economy. What does the future for World look like? Worldcoin is an ambitious idea that sits at the intersection of AI, identity, and finance. It could solve major problems like spam, digital identity, and financial exclusion, but it also opens doors to mass biometric surveillance and centralized control. The future may depend not just on what this tech can do, but who controls it and whether we have a say in how it's used. What do you think? Is Sam Altman's world the future of identity or a privacy nightmare waiting to happen? Drop your thoughts below, and if you want more deep dives into the future of AI, make sure to subscribe. If you need help adapting to AI inside your organization, that's what I built First Movers for. Learn more about how we can help at firstmovers.ai and book your free AI Proof Your Business strategy call with us. In this exclusive 90-minute session with my expert First Movers team, you'll discover your company's specific AI vulnerabilities and opportunities, the immediate steps to future-proof your business model, how to leverage AI tools before your competitors do, exclusive build-outs we can do to help you get ahead in the AI age. We've helped businesses in a myriad of industries transform potential AI disruption into massive competitive advantage. But our calendar fills up fast, so book your call now to learn more about how we can help you. Go to firstmovers.ai/consultation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you down the next rabbit hole.